Boy, it's pecking that tree down. Oh my gosh, it's gonna peck my tree down. The woody woodpecker's gonna peck my tree down. Woody woodpecker. Holy crap. That's really pecking away. I wonder if I should make it stop because it's pecking my tree. Do woodpeckers chop trees down? I thought only beavers did that. Oh no. It's pecking the bark. Must have a strong neck. Holy cow. Look how much it's chopping out of that tree. My gosh. Maybe it's good for the tree. It's like shedding skin. Well, shedding bark. Woody is making its mark on the bark. Woody woodpecker, oh, oh, oh. It's a woody woodpecker out there. I wonder why it likes that tree so much, because it was there before. Oh, there it goes. Oh my god! It flew right up by where I was. Look at it. Oh, it flew away. Oh, it's up on that telephone pole. And look, there it is. It's on. Oh, I can't hold. Oh, there it is. Oh, it just flew. Now it flew somewhere over there. Anyway, there's the tree. It pecked that much wood, bark out of it. I guess the tree's okay. Anyway, it's pretty neat. And there's a squirrel eating the corn on the cob. So I have Rocky the Flying Squirrel, Woody Woodpecker, and what else do I have? Well, I have Blue Jay feeder. So, that's it. Thanks for watching the Woody Woodpecker show.